Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your device's store app and going straight to search. Do this now. On iOS, tap the Search tab. On Android, open Play Store and tap the search bar or your profile icon. Once the recent searches list appears, focus on the visible items. Don't wander to settings yet. Make sure you're signed into the account whose history you want cleared. Otherwise, you'll remove the wrong recent searches. Now prepare to remove entries one by one, or open the Settings option to clear all. Next, remove the searches. On iOS, tap the search field and either swipe left on individual recent items to delete them, or tap a clear button if it appears at the top. This removes local search history immediately. On Android's Play Store, tap your profile, go to Settings right arrow General, then choose Clear Device Search History to erase all saved searches. Make sure to confirm each prompt, otherwise some entries can remain. Once done, close and reopen. The app to verify the list is gone. Finish by verifying that searches are gone. Reopen the Search tab and look for recent items. If any entries persist, sign out of the store app and restart your device, then sign back in and check again. If that fails, clear the app cache Android, or, on iOS, reboot and ensure screen time or restrictions aren't restoring data. Also confirm you didn't clear a different account. Make sure you're on the same Apple ID or Google account that held the history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.